Hi, for today's video is how to add music to a Spotify playlist. So it's just easy, so let's go. A playlist is an amalgamation of various songs that are organized in an easily accessible way. Spotify allows you to download music through playlists, and you can add up to 10,000 songs to those playlists at any given time. In order to build any kind of playlist, you need to know how to add songs to a playlist on Spotify. So what you're gonna go here is open the Spotify, then to add songs to a Spotify playlist on Android, find the song you want to add in the mobile app. For example, this song. Just press the three dot on the right corner. Then just press add to playlist. And here you will choose which playlist you want to add it. So it's already added to the playlist chill. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!